Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge, Chapter 2, Shloka 16. The unreal has no existence. There is no non-existence for the real. The truth about both these has been seen by the knowers of the truth or the seers of the essence.
Chapter 2, Shloka 16. नासतो विद्यते भावो नाभावो विद्यते सतः उभयोरपि दृष्टोऽन्तत् आनयोस्तत्त्वदर्शिभिः.
Chapter 2, Shloka 16. More reasons are given why Arjuna should remain balanced in heat and cold, which are physical experiences, and also abandon grief and delusion, which are mental and intellectual conditions. Vedanta logically distinguishes the real and the unreal. What is real? The self in us is the awareness because of which we have all our experiences. This awareness is the constant factor, and what we are aware of are different from the awareness and are only temporary. Life is a series of experiences and we are conscious of our experiences. I was conscious of my childhood, then I became conscious of my youth, and now I am conscious of my old age. Consciousness illumined all the conditions and yet remained the same. It didn't change nor got affected. According to Vedanta, that spiritual factor, which is eternal and all-pervading, birthless and deathless, and which is ever changeless, is the infinite in me. And this Atma is the real. Then what is unreal? Let us consider the classical example of the rope and the snake. When one misunderstands a rope to be a snake in the darkness, the snake vision is considered as unreal as compared to the rope, because the imaginary snake cannot be permanent and does not remain after the rope is discovered. Similarly, on waking up from our dream, we are not anxious to provide for our dream children, for they were not there before we went to sleep and are not there after waking up. For now, I know for a fact that they were unreal, and even in the dream they were unreal, though I considered them to be real. Now we distinguish the real from the unreal. Karika, which is a commentary on the Mandukya Upanishad, an advanced text of Vedanta, says that which was not in the past and which will not be in the future, but that seemingly exists in the present, is called the unreal. It also says that which is non-existent in the beginning and in the end is necessarily non-existent in the intermediate stage also. Objects we see are illusory, still they are regarded as real. This confirms our own dream experience and the concept of illusory snake seen on the rope. So we can conclude that the real is that which defies all changes and remains the same in all periods of time, past, present, and the future. More in the next shloka, in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.